After learning the sounds of each letter, we are going to learn about two-letter words. Two sounds together make sensible word. First, we take all vowels. Let us see how many vowels we have. They are A, E, I, O and U. Okay. Now, A vowel makes word A, am, am. The word is A, am, am. The sound of this two-letter word is a, m. Got it? Again. A, m. A, m, m. Now, second, A, N, N. A, N, N. The sound of this two-letter word is a, Understood? A, N. Let us see third word. E, as. The sound of this two-letter word is a, as. A, as. Okay? Now, further, fourth one. A, T, at. The sound of this two-letter word is at. Now, we repeat the all A, M, that is a, A, N, that is a, The other one, A, as, that is as. Next one, at. A, M, M, A, N, N, A, as, A, T, at. We have seen all these A vowels, two-letter words. Now let us see two-letter words with the help of vowel E. The first, B, E, B. The sound of this two-letter word is B, E, B. B, E, B. The other one, H, E, he. H, E, he. The sound of this two-letter word is H, E, he. H, E, he. The third one, M, E, me. The sound of this two-letter word is M, E, me. M, E, me. W, E, V. The sound of this two-letter word is V, E, V. V, E, V. Let's repeat all E vowel sounds two-letter words. B, E, B, H, E, he, M, E, me and W, E, V. Okay, understood all the children? Now we rub this and we start with the I sounds. Okay. Now let us talk about I vowel sounds two-letter words that are, first one is I and in. The sound of this two-letter word is E, in. E, in. The next is I, af, if. The sound of this two-letter word is E, if. The sound of again E, if. Okay. The next one is I, as, is. The sound of this two-letter word is E, is. E, is. Okay. The next I, T, it. The sound of this two-letter word is I, that is E, it. Okay. Now we will repeat all these words I and in, IF if, IS is, and IT, it. Now you children, repeat it again. Yes? Okay. Now we will rub this I vowel sounds, and then we start with the O vowel 2-letter words. They are O, F, off. The sound of this 2-letter word is O, F, off. O, F, off. The next one, O, N, on. The sound of this 2-letter word is O, N, on. O, N, on. The next, O, R, or. The sound of this 2-letter word is O, R, or. O, R, or. The next, O, X, ox. The sound of this 2-letter word is ox, ox. Ox, ox. That is ox. N, O, no. The sound of this 2-letter word is N, O, no. N, O, no. The other is G, O, go. G, O, go. The sound of this 2-letter word is G, O, go. G, O, go. The next one is S, O, so. The sound of this 2-letter word is S, O, so. S, O, so. The other one, L, O, low. The sound of this 2-letter word is L, O, low. L, O, low. The next 2-letter words with the help of O are T, O, to. T, O, to. And D, O, do. D, O, do. We will repeat all these words. N, O, no. G, O, go. S, O, so. L, O, low. Y, T, O, to. D, O, do. Got it? With the help of U vowel, we make the word is U, P, up. The sound of this 2-letter word is a, P, up. A, P, up. Now next one is U, as, us. The sound of this 2-letter word is a, s, us. A, s, us. Now we repeat this UP up and US us. Okay. Now we are going to learn about those letters which are not vowels. Those letters are B, M, Y. B, M, Y. With the help of these letters, we make 2-letter words. B, Y, by. B, Y, by. And the other is M, Y, my. M, Y, my. B, Y, by. And M, Y, my. Okay. Hey kids, let us do some exercise about 2-letter words. Now you will tell me the sound of this 2-letter word. Correct. The sound of this 2-letter word is A, M. Okay, now tell me. Again, correct. A, N. The sound of this 2-letter word is A, N. Okay. Okay, tell me. Correct. S, as. Tell me. Yes. At. Next one. This is, yes, B. This is, yes, me. Now, this is, correct, he. Now, this is, yes, W-E-V. Now, next one. This is, yes, I-N-E, in. Okay. Now, this is, yes, it is if. Okay. This is, yes, it is is. Now this is, correct. The sound is it. Okay. This is, correct, on. Now, this is, yes, the sound of this two-letter word is off. This is, correct one. The sound of this two-letter word is or. Now, this is, yes, the sound of this two-letter word is ox. Now, yes, no. That is N-O, no. Now, this is, yes, G-O, go. G-O, go. Now, this is, yes, S-O, so. S-O, so. Now, this is, correct, L-O, low. L-O, low. This is, yes, T-O-2. Okay. This is, yes, D-O, do. Okay. Now further we go about other two-letter words. This is, yes, the sound of this two-letter word is up. Now, this is, yes, the sound of this two-letter word is us. U-S, us. This is, yes, B-Y, by. This is, yes, M-Y, my. These two-letter words have to be pronounced as B-Y, by and M-Y, my. Keep it in your mind, okay? So kids, we had learned 2-letter words. You must keep on practicing, okay?